Hey guys, welcome back to Claudiecooks. Let's have a look at the ingredients here and I will tell you what I'm going to cook today. You probably guessed already from this thing here and those beauty dares. Well, I'm going to test out this viral feta pasta bake that's been all over social media, but there seem to be some gray areas as to where it's originated from, but I'm gonna put a spin on it because you're on the Claudiecooks channel, so it will be my take on it. So guys, let's get cooking. First, we're going to start with chopping the onion in half and then peel it, and then we're going to chop up the red and green chili. Next up, empty the bowl of cherry tomatoes into the baking tray and make a well in the middle of the tomatoes and place the feta cheese. Time to add the other ingredients. Now sprinkle a generous amount of oregano over the feta cheese, followed by some olive oil, green seasoning, about a teaspoon, thyme, and some rosemary. So now we need to add the onions, the garlic, and the chilies. Adding some black garlic for a bit of smokiness and some richness to the dish. For some seasoning, add some salt, black pepper, and some garlic granules. oven was already preheated to 200 degrees Celsius, and we're going to bake this for about 35 to 40 minutes, depending on your oven. Boil your pasta in salted water with a bit of olive oil for about 10 to 12 minutes, or according to the instructions on the packet. Here we have it after 40 minutes baking in the oven. Right, here is the fun part. Let's break up the feta cheese and squish it up with the tomatoes before adding the pasta. At this point, you can remove the rosemary and the thyme stems from the dish. Time to add the pasta and get it mingling with all this delicious goodness. For this recipe, I use Bucatini pasta because it's a bit thicker and can hold the sauce better than the thinner ones. I've also reserved 2 cups of the pasta water to add to the dish. Finish off the dish, I'm adding some Parmesan cheese, some black pepper, salt, some chili flakes, and to garnish, I'm tearing up some basil, followed by a splash of olive oil. And one final stir before you tuck in. Time to taste. Yummy. Thank you for cooking with me, guys. If you like this dish, please hit the subscribe button, like, share with your friends, and keep watching my channel. Don't forget to hit the notification button so you know when I'm uploading any new videos.